Let us discuss one stock that is Sambardhana Motherson International Limited. You all must be aware of the fact that Motherson Sumi is demerged into these two companies, Sambardhana Motherson International Limited and Motherson Wiring Limited. So, first we'll go through the fundamentals and then we'll discuss technicals, and based on that, we'll plan whether we need to uh, make some entry in this stock or not. We all know that Motherson Sumi system is into auto ancillary component. So you must be aware that now is the age of EV. So now there may be some questions whether um, the EV, the future of EV is good or not. So it doesn't matter actually, because cars will be there, whether it will be based IC engines, that is petrol, diesel, or CNG, doesn't matter, or it is based on EV. So ultimately cars are going to be manufactured, and these auto ancillary components, the wiring components, etc., are going to, like mirrors and etc., everything, these parts are going to be sold. So it is a great future no matter what. So let's see. ROC and ROE are not that attractive, okay. And P is, if you see P like it's 25.4, and if you see its historic P, then like it is in the lowest zone, and the median it's way below its median, so that is also good. If we see other factors, you can check it here. They're not great but not bad as well. Sales growth is good, profit variation is good. Let us go directly to uh, quarterly result. If you check the quarterly result, we can see it's almost stagnant from last 1.5 year, and the profits are also stagnant. So if we, obviously this quarter is not that great, but you can say it's a stagnant quarter. So, in order to get a broader view, we'll go to yearly figures. So, if you say on yearly basis, the profit, the turnovers, the sales are increasing, there is a good thing. Profits, the sales are on all time high, profits are on all time high, operating profit margin is 10%, so that is the maximum they have attained so far. So and if you see the tax, PBT, profit before tax, PBT is also on all time high, and net profit is on also on time high, EPS on all time high. So everything is on all time high on a yearly point of view. That is what we actually look in fundamentals. So if you see that profit growth is there, stock price CAGR is also good. Okay, in on yearly basis, it has given 24% return. Okay, then sales growth is good, everything looks fine. CWIP is going on, that is current work in progress, so that is like the that is a good thing for a company, because they are going for expansion maybe, or some new projects are under progress, so that is a good thing. If you see the cash flow from operating activity, it is positive, net cash flow is also positive, so it's a, like everything seems very good. Promoters holdings are almost fixed. If you see a public, almost same. FIDIs are not selling, so on an average it is a good thing, a good company to buy. If we go from fundamental point of view, let us go to see the technicals. Okay, let us first check on a monthly point of view. Yeah, the stock has fallen. Yeah, that's good. It's near its 20 EMA, and okay, and it's near its support. this support is going to be respected, I believe so. And it has fallen like 40%. So that if we just go to weekly, okay, then weekly one crossover may happen. So that is one problem. But from value buying point of view, you can start buying and we can average till this point. And you know my approach now. If I buy a good stock and if it falls, then I start averaging to certain technical point, and after that, if it stays there or like there's choppiness or it falls further, and if I'm confident about that stock, then actually what I do is I convert it into SIP stock, and I buy 1/12 of total investment, current investment in each month. So for from that point of view, I think I'll buy some today. If you see daily, yeah, it has fallen good amount, and obviously there is no like support, just like at this point, so it will fall a little bit more. And yeah, so what I can do is I can keep it in my watch list, and I'll look for any opportunity. If it falls any further, I'll add. Today I'll buy very small quantity, I guess. Okay, and if you check its other part, that is Sumi, Motherson wires. Sorry, Motherson Sumi Wiring Limited. ROC, ROE are the are like it's okay. It's a joint venture between Sumitomo Wiring System and Motherson Group. Okay, if you see the PE, it's all time low. That's a good thing. ROC, ROE are good. If we see yearly sales figure, it's all time high. Profit all time high. Operating profit margin is 12%. That's good. Profit before tax all time high. Net profit, EPS, everything all time high. And kind of cash flow is positive. And then if we see the public holdings, almost same, and the holdings are almost same. So do one thing, we'll also see this stock from technical point of view. If we go to monthly, okay, it has fallen. If we see the because it's a new stock now, so like you cannot like make very much technical judgment because it is very less data, but still it is near its trend line. If you go weekly, okay, so this is some zone. I believe it is. It has to respect. Let's see. Okay, and this crossover has already happened. Okay, so from value buying point of view, I'm like expecting it to give me 50% or so. It has fallen like 34%. So I'll buy small quantities of both the stocks, and I'll then keep on adding on any further fall. Uh, okay, so